crossbody. A crossbody looks like this. Back replaced together, forward and turn. Back replaced together, forward and turn. So to do that together, we're going to step back on our right, replace on our left, and together. Forward on our left, replace on our right, and together. So your basic mambo. Difference is going to be this. Back on our right, replace on our left, and together. Forward on our left, stop. So this is the point we're changing from mambo to something else. Now in this case, we're changing to a basic right turn. Turn out to the side, bend your knees slightly and turn to face. I'm going to do that again, side on. Back on your right, replace on your left and together. Forward on your left. Now we're going into the right turn. Bend your knees slightly and turn. Now I'm exaggerating the bend of the knees just to show it properly. So back, replace together, forward and turn. Back, replace together, forward and turn. Fabulous. Okay, if you want to put an armography with that, you can. It would look like this. Back, replace together, forward and turn. Back, replace together, forward and turn. Again, that's just an optional style feature. Okay, so that's the basic mambo or the basic right turn. But the reason it's called crossbody is because you're literally crossing the man's body. So there are different styles of salsa, a lot of different styles. Some people tell you there's 2 main styles, some people tell you there's 3 main styles. There is a lot of different styles of salsa. There's LA, there's New York, which is dancing on 2, there's cumbia, there's reggae, there's your crossbody, there's lots of different styles. They all have their own features. Crossbody is you're literally going across the man's body, backwards and forwards, which means as soon as they're on the dance floor and they're facing a direction, you already know where your outer grid for your partners are going to be. So if they're facing the dance floor this way, they're going to be going that way. Yeah? If they're facing the dance floor this way, you're going to be going that way. Yeah? Okay, so basic crossbody looks like this. This is the meaning behind the move. So back, replace, together, at which point the man goes from being in front of you to turning to the side. Come forward. He is telling you at the moment you're going to do a basic crossbody. He's then going to change his signal. So you're going to turn your foot out and turn to face him. And he is going to bring his body back into you, signaling to you, you now need to stay this side. So I'll do that again. His body's in front of you. He's going to go back, replace, together. His body is going to turn out, signaling to you to go straight through. Through. He's now going to change his signal again to say, I want you to do a basic right turn. Right turn with your foot, bounce, and you are through. He's then going to close his body off, signaling to you, you now need to dance this side of the lead. So if I show you just really quickly what the man is going to be doing, you don't need to learn this footwork, it's just so that you get a better idea in your head. So the man is going to be coming forward 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So what he's doing is he's saying, you cannot cross this path, you need to dance this side. 1, 2, 3. Then his torso is going to turn out. 5. He's now saying to you, go across me. 6, 7. He's now saying, you are dancing this side now, you cannot cross back yet. Okay? So the main signal points on a man is obviously his hands, but also his torso and his eyes. So they're the 3 points as a female or as a follower we're always looking at, is hands, torso and eyes. Eyes are very important. They give you a heads up because he's surveying the room all the time. So if he's planning on sending you in a direction, he's going to check that direction first which gives you a slight heads up of where you're going to be next. So it's always a good idea to keep tabs of all 3 signals. I hope that really helps. I am going to do a quick little video on signals for you, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.